Namaskar. Good morning, all of you. So, myself, Dr. Pawan Kumar Rakesh. I am faculty in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Uttarakhand. So, today I would like to discuss about how to write a cover letter for manuscript. In the previous video, I have discussed how to write a paper. And if you write in paper, then you have to submit some of the journal. Then I have discuss in another video how to select a journal for your manuscript. So now the third video, in this video I'm talking about how to write a cover letter for the manuscript. So before writing a cover letter, just I would like to start from this. That is, I have published one paper in the materials and manufacturing process, that is the Taylor and Francis journals. So in this journal, impact factor is 3.046. So if you want to submit a paper in this journal, materials and manufacturing process, so you need to submit your paper and you need to write a cover letter. So whatever I have prepared a cover letter, I would like to show you how you can write a cover letter of your manuscript. So you can see the title is the materials and manufacturing process, that is journals. Then I will my topic of this manuscript is the drilling of glass fiber vinyl ester composites with fillers. So you can see, so this is the topic. Then we are talking about this abstract. So in this abstract, you see, whenever you write a cover letter, then you have to mention about your work and your result. So I have already prepared a cover letter for you. So that is a sample. Based upon this paper I have prepared, now you can prepare your letter based upon your research work. So just you see this paper. I have in this paper I have selected this, studied the effect of drilling parameters, mean cutting speed, feed rate, and drill point geometry on this material having this glass fiber and milaster, and we have added these fillers, that is the silicon carbide and graphite powder, and we optimize the result, and we can find out, you can see here the different drill geometry, then experimental result, drilling forces, either jaw drill and this 8-facet drill point geometry. You can see we have used this ANOVA analysis for this thrust force and torque and surface roughness. You can see this is the thrust force and process parameters, drill point geometries. You can see another diagram between surface roughness versus this process parameters, materials, drill geometry, speed and feed. So now with this conclusion, in the point wise we have mentioned the conclusion in this, and there is references, and if you have any acknowledgement you can acknowledge this. So in this way we have prepared this manuscript. So now I'm directly coming to the cover letters. So in this cover letter, that is the good cover letter of the journal. So this is the first thing you need to declare about your paper. We declared that the article was not published in another journal. You have to mention in the cover letter itself. Then we have no conflict of interest to disclosed. These two things, these 2 points you have to mention in the cover letter. I will show you the cover letter. Then this editors, as you know, 90% of this paper you can say it directly rejected based upon this novelty of the paper. So whenever you try to write the cover letter, you cannot discover it a good cover letter of your manuscript. You need to think about these types of questions. Why is this topic important? They will ask, editor will ask, why this topic is important. If you mention this point in the cover letter, then editor will read this and he will select your paper for this review process. So these are the questions. Why is this topic is important? You have to write in the abstract also. I have mentioned in the abstract why this paper is important. What is the importance of dealing. Then the second question is what is the result. You have to give them result in a single sentence. What is this important this topic? You have to mention a single sentence. Then what is the result? You have to mention the single sentence. Then what is this advance on previous work? How you can correlate your previous work, previously research work done, and how you're different from the previous work. So you have to mention one sentence in the cover letter. Then third point we're talking about why are we submitting to this journal. Now you have to find out the scope of the journal. Each and every journal has some scopes, and you have to go through these scopes and you can find out the journals. So next point we're talking about what applications are the technologies described in the manuscript going to use for useful for. So these are the points they will ask. Producer will ask to you to write in the cover letter or you write in the papers. So in this way, I have these points. So I would like to inform you while writing your cover letter, you need to think about these points and you try to write in the cover letter before submission to the journals. So now I am coming to this cover letter. See, so generally, if you write this cover letter, already we are using this, that is the salutation. Then we are mentioning the subject. Then we have this main body. Then this answer the questions I have already discussed in this. These you have to write these questions, right? Where this topic is important in a all these point you have to write in a single sentence. So you have to write these questions, then this answers of these questions. Then you can say that complementary closing with this regards and this signature lines you have already mentioned in this letter. Any of the letter we are preparing, then we have to use this steps in writing a letter. So you can now you see this in this we start how to write a letter in this journal. So you can see I have mentioned to the editor in chief the journal of materials and manufacturing process. This is the salutation. Not talking about the subject. So the subject regarding the submission of the manuscript in title you can write title here. Then dear sir or madam you can write. So enclosed with this letter you will find an electronic submission of a manuscript entitled. You can mention your title. So this is an original paper which has neither previously nor simultaneously in whole or not part been submitted anywhere else. So this is the declaration basically. So all the authors have read and approved the final version of manuscript submitted in this journal. So editor wants you should not submit your paper to some other journal simultaneously or each and everything whatever you can say that depending upon the number of authors each and every author must have to give right to submit. They have to approve or read the paper before submitting to the journals. So these types of declaration you have to need, you have to write in the cover letter. So this is very important thing. So now you see there is a present paper. Now we're talking about the questions. So I have mentioned based upon my research work. You may choose, you may write your this second paragraph based upon your work. So I have mentioned here, you can see that is the present paper highlighted the effect of drilling parameters on this glass fiber vinyl ester composites with fillers. The effect of drill geometry, cutting speed and the feed rate has been studied during this drilling forces and the thrust force and the surface roughness of this drilled hole walls. The relative significance of the various parameters has been found using ANOVA. The results of this experimental investigation bring out certain important facts in context of the drilling behavior of glass fiber or like vinyl ester composites filled with the fillers. So the thrust force and glass for this glass fiber vinyl ester composite with fillers was lower than the glass fiber vinyl ester composite without fillers. But the surface finish of the drilled hole was better with the composite without fillers. So like this way you have to mention result, you have to mention what is the importance of your work, what is the novelty in your work, you need to write in the cover letter itself. Then I am looking forward to hearing from you. Then thanks and regards, that is the complimentary closing. Then the signature lines, everything you can write. Or if you want, you can write this cover letter in your letter head. Institute letter head, you can write the name of the institute in the top, right? You can write your name. So in this way, you can prepare this cover letter for the submission of a paper in the good journal. So they will ask these things. So now I'm talking about this. You see, I have already mentioned these things in this paper. So whenever we have write, either you can see the point conclusion. So whatever this point we have added, we have mentioned here. So you can see here, that is the, we have mentioned each and every point in this conclusion. So from here we have, from here you can select the sum. From here you can select some of the points and you can write in the cover letter. Whatever you have highlighted in the conclusion sections or abstract sections, you can note down. You can write in the cover letter also. So you have to mention each and everything in the paper, right? So writing a cover letter is very important thing. So the first impression of this cover letter is very important. So whatever you have worked on till date, you can mention. You have to note down the abstract also, right? And you can write abstracts. Then we have write mention the previous work done in this introduction sections. So we have mentioned here. So all this point we have already described in the paper, and now in a single sentence we have to use in the cover letter. So if you want to download this paper, that is all you can download from this Telegram Process website, right? That is the paper of this materials and manufacturing process. You can download it. So like this way you can write a cover letter of your manuscript. If you have any questions, any query, you can write on the chat box. I will reply your query. So with this, I would like to thank you. Thank you for listening things. Thank you for listening how to write a cover letter of your manuscript. Thank you.